Janos just said, let's do our best.
What? That's what I always say.
I thought we were going to run a race.
Oh, let's fix your English first.
Welcome back to That Makes Sense.
Today, we'll fix 5 common mistakes Japanese people make in business English.
And show you easy, natural ways to say them.
Let's do our best.
Are we in a business meeting or running a marathon?
We need team spirit.
Okay, but maybe let's sound more professional.
Better options. Let's work hard. Let's try together.
Practice sentences. Let's give it our best effort. We'll do everything we can.
We are late. I hope you understand.
That sounds a little cold.
But I want to be polite.
Try saying thank you instead.
Better options. Thank you for your understanding. I will be late. I hope it's okay.
Practice sentences. We're sorry for the delay and thank you for your patience. I hope this situation is acceptable.
Hey Hiro, please check it.
Sounds like a command from your boss.
But I said please.
Try using a softer phrase.
Better options. Can you check this? Please look at this.
Practice sentences. Would you mind reviewing this email? Take a look when you have time. Finding this helpful? Want to level up your pronunciation?
Check out our online lessons at English Pro or ProSpeak. Hey, let's discuss about it.
Wait, know about after discuss.
Really? That's kind of confusing.
English is weird, but you're learning.
Better options. Let's talk about it. Let's discuss it.
Practice sentences. We can discuss the issue in the meeting. Let's talk more after lunch.
Oh, Hiro, sorry for my late.
Your what? Your lunch?
I meant I was late.
Ah, that sounds much better.
Better options. Sorry, I'm late. Sorry for the delay.
Practice sentences. I'm sorry I couldn't make it on time. Thank you for waiting.
Quiz time! Which of these is the best choice in business English? A. Sorry for my late. B. Sorry, I'm late. Or C. Sorry, late.
Comment your answer below.
Recap. Let's review the better phrases.
Let's do our best.
Let's work hard.
I hope you understand.
Thank you for your understanding.
Please check it.
Can you check this?
Discuss about.
Discuss.
Sorry for my late.
Sorry, I'm late. Which phrase did you use before? Tell us in the comments.
And practice the new versions this week.
If this video helped, like and subscribe.
コメントは日本語でも OK です。
Check out our lessons at English Pro or ProSpeak. Links are below.
See you next time on
That makes sense. またね